Let's dive into the world of beverage manufacturing equipment, focusing on Heineken's 400 surplus assets available in Slovenia and Poland. Heineken has partnered with Equipnet to sell over 50 different categories of equipment, including beverage filling lines, fermentation tanks, brewing and distilling equipment, vessels, filters, mixers, lab instruments, and more. The versatility of this equipment make it also relevant for the production of carbonated and non-carbonated beverages. Visit the project landing page to view all available inventory. If you're looking for something specific, use the left-hand filters to narrow your search by category, price, manufacturer, region, or country. Find more details at equipnet.com/beer-Slovenia or contact us today for inspection inquiries and logistics.